A man died in a fire this morning in Northboro. As WBZ's Zinnia Maldonado tells us, more people could have been hurt if not for the quick action of a person who lived there.
As you can see, construction crews have already started to board up this historic farmhouse that caught fire at about 4 a.m. this morning. And officials tell us a man living in that second floor bedroom was found dead.
One of the residents woke up because they smelled smoke. Luckily, that resident then was able to start banging on doors.
The Northboro Fire Department says 7 people were inside this multi-unit home along Maple Ave when a fire broke out Friday morning. All but one man was able to escape.
Once we were able to get the fire knocked down enough in a second in that fire room, we were able to get companies in there, and we did unfortunately find one person in there.
He's just a new guy who moved in. I don't know anything about the man. He's a young guy.
Richard Jones lives in one of the home's 4 units and says the complex did not have any working smoke detectors. Instead, he was awoken by the sound of sirens.
I didn't see anything. I didn't smell any smoke until I got outside, and then I realized, my God, we got a big fire going on over there.
I found one detector in the front hallway that appears to be 1970s vintage. Every person I spoke to that was in there said there were no smoke detectors in their units.
Neighbors say the home is more than 100 years old, making the fire even harder to fight, according to the chief.
These old houses have horsehair lax plaster, and it really contains a fire. It gets really, really hot, and we had flames about 30 to 40 feet coming out that front window.
It's kind of sad to think of something that was historic in town and historical to the neighborhood that was kind of going up in smoke.
The most tragic part, of course, is the gentleman was lost his life. He was on the second floor.
And the Northboro Fire Department says they are still working with the state fire marshal to investigate the cause of this fire. In Northboro, Zinnia Maldonado, WBZ News.